Welcome! In this quick video, we'll explore the difference between mix and mix-up, two common expressions that sound similar but have different meanings. Let's clear it up in under a minute. 1. To combine two or more substances so they become one. Mix the flour with the eggs and sugar. 2. To bring different people or things together socially or in a group. He doesn't mix well with strangers. 3. A combination of different things or ingredients. This cake mix just needs water and eggs. To confuse two or more people or things. I always mix up the twins. They look exactly the same. To be involved in a difficult or dangerous situation. He got mixed up with the wrong crowd. A mistake or confusion, often due to things being mixed or misunderstood. There was a mix-up at the airport, and my luggage got sent to Rome. He got mixed up with some drug dealers when he was a teenager. Now you know how to use mix and mix up the right way. For more quick lessons like this, check out my playlist English in a Flash. See you next time.